Hey everybody, Winstreak here. Welcome back to video number 2 of Mechanics Vault. Today we're going to be taking a look at animations. So we have the ability to jump, and then we tied that ability in to jump over this gap here. Let's take a look at what we're working with, and we're going to go inside of our hero and our jump animation. I'll zoom out here. So the first thing I did is stretch out the canvas image size. The width stays the same. The height I doubled, and when I did that I went to align center, so we kept the character in the middle and we just added how much room we have above and below. And to make it simple, I just left our image point starting where it is. So if we go to our other images, you can see that it's around the same spot on this character as it is on our other animations, and that just means the character won't jump around when you switch from being in idle mode to jump mode, even though we stretch out the canvas. And to make the jump, I simply highlighted my character and moved him up a few frames, usually around 3 per animation, and then I gave him a shadow that kind of reflects his color. So I just took his color here, and then I dropped to a super low alpha, which means it's mostly transparent, and then I used the paintbrush to just draw one out, and then I just copy pasted and left that in the same spot so it shows how far away the ground is. And the character quickly goes up and then back down. And the animation properties, since it's a jump, we don't want it to happen more than once. We want it to start and finish. That way I can use on finished with jump in order to kick myself into a new animation, so back to idle in this case. I also turned the speed up to 12 since I am using the animation being finished in order to call my next event. I do my timing by changing the speed here, and then I just named the animation jump so I know how to call it from inside my code. And we'll hop in here. I'm going to show you this code real quick. This is just if you're getting stuck on solids, you can check your location based off of where the solid location is, and if it's to your left you'll move to the right, if it's to your right move to the left, up and down. So if you copied my code from the first one, you're getting stuck against solids, use that to help yourself out. Move 2 is calling our move animation, but we're mostly looking at our jumps here, so we're just going to jump right down here. We are checking if we're on our gap location. How that works is I have a gap right here, which is a solid animation, and then surrounding that I have a sprite that is completely empty, not solid, which I check to see if my character is overlapping. If they're overlapping, I check the location of the X position of the gap. If it's to my right, then I will jump to the right, and if it's to my left, I will jump to the left. And if I'm not in the gap location at all, I just jump straight up and down. When that jump animation finishes, then we can recall idle. This extra code here, since I am moving my character with clicks and using the move to, during the animation I turn that off, and I use bullet to force my character to move, and this will stop the user from interrupting the movement because I remove their ability to actually set new clicks. Once the animation's finished, then I will return that ability. That about wraps it up. If you guys enjoyed this one, let me know in the comments. If you want more information on anything, let me know that as well. I do have a deeper dive into animations. I'll link below. Otherwise, have a good one.